In manufacturing automation, vertical integration offers crucial advantages, from faster development cycles to improved quality control. By having critical tracking capabilities, it can reduce risk and deliver superior results for even the most complex projects. Orchestrating a new production line often resembles four-dimensional chess, especially when working with multiple vendors. Communication gaps, schedule conflicts, and quality inconsistencies can jeopardize timelines and outcomes. Vertical integration eliminates these challenges by maintaining critical capabilities in-house at Eclipse. From engineering design to fabrication and machining, this unified approach reduces risk, saves time, and ensures quality for all of our clients. When the COVID-19 pandemic created critical shortages of N95 masks, Eclipse leveraged its vertical integration to respond swiftly. Within just 4 weeks, the company implemented production systems, ensuring compliance with North American standards while enabling rapid customization to meet specific needs. By addressing common failure points in complex automation projects, vertical integration ensures knowledge continuity, schedule control, clear accountability, and consistent quality standards. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Explore how vertical integration can deliver real-world results for your factory automation projects. Eclipse, where factory automation is going. EclipseAutomation.com.